What's up, everyone? Bonus Event is here going over the two trades that we did on September 15th. We made 250% on SPY 446 puts, and we made 170% profit on Tesla 277.5 puts. So let's go over Tesla first, and then we'll cover SPY. So first thing that we can see on Tesla, we have this gap up to around this 278.5 area. Now, we mapped out that this is a pretty key support or resistance area. And we'll just take a look at that here for why that is. As you can see, hitting all of these little spots here. Worst case, we have this 280 level acting as resistance, but also the high of the day here on the September 12th acting as a resistance level. So there's a pretty good chance that we hit some kind of downward pressure from here. And so that's the idea behind this trade. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened. So above, here's everything that happened in the Discord. We were looking at Tesla puts, SPY puts, also looking at Amazon puts, which worked out really well. But we entered right here as soon as it hit this 278.5 area, because it did open at 277.5. So we wanted it to wait to hit 278-ish. And then entered here, got in at $2, and we see just the perfect drop here. So we ended up getting out at 6:41 my time, so 9:41 Eastern time, which is, yeah, right on this candle right here, right when it hits this 272.43. So we got out at 5.4, which is a great trade, 170% profits. Really happy with it. Did go slightly lower, but again, you can see it did hold this 272.5 area. And again, why do we choose 272.5 as a support area to exit our position? Well, as you can see here, we're basically looking at this right here. The high basically, or the close on July 25th, didn't end up holding this position. And so that's roughly where we wanted to take profits. Now, you could have held on a little bit more. It did eventually go to the second target of 271.3, but you would have had to hold through this whole upwards move against you, and it's just not worth it. So that's the one trade that we did. Tesla 277.5 puts from $2 to $5.40 for 170% profit. Now, the other trade that we did was SPY 446 puts. And when we're looking at SPY here, we can see the prior day, we had a little bit of a drop in the morning and then a nice upward move. But pre-market, going into the September 15th, we see this gap down and then a steady decrease. So this is for sure, we're going to have a nice, massive red day. And that's exactly what we saw on SPY. Look at this candle. It's huge. And so that's what we were looking for. So we got in on the open at 50 cents. Now, the low here was around 40 cents. So you did have to be a little bit careful here. It's a little bit risky. Not quite the big drop immediately that I was looking for, but still ended up working. Now, we ended up selling at 8:26 a.m. my time, which is 11:26. So right here on this green candle up, just getting stopped out here. And we sold for $1.75. So 250% profits. Still very happy with this trade. Had to be patient with it. But yeah, didn't think it was going to hold this 444.9 or basically 445 area. Had some difficulty breaking. Did go lower near the, after it ended up breaking this area. So the high here, you could have sold these options for $3 for basically 600% profit. But we were out at that point, still happy with what we did. So we're going to take the money, take the profit, and just run with it. Now, why do we pick these two areas for a target to sell at? So 445 basically, and this 443 area. If we go back to the daily chart, First one here, this 445-ish. Oops. You can see kind of right around here, we're having just some massive areas of confluence. Here, this candle, this candle, this candle. It's too big of a level to ignore. And so that's where we decided to take profits. Now, the other area again was this 443, basically touching the close of September 7th. And as you can see, it did hold that. So again, spot on picking these price targets. Again, we're happy with what we did. So trading these SPY 446 puts, so easy, so fun. Going from 50 cents to $1.75. We'll take it. So those were the two trades that we did on September 15th. SPY 446 puts from 50 cents to $1.75 for 250% profit. And Tesla 277.5 puts from $2 to $5.40 for 170% profit. And again, guys, all of this is alerted live from our Discord, so you can copy the exact same trades that we do in real time before market opens with the exact same trading plan. So like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter if you are so inclined. And we will catch you guys tomorrow, Monday, September 18th at market open, and we'll catch you on the next video.